With water restrictions in place over much of Australia, we have to be very smart with how we're using water in our gardens so we don't go wasting water. Now, there is some technology that's coming through both in irrigation systems, but most importantly in controllers, that allows you to control the amount of water your garden gets so it doesn't deteriorate, but more importantly, so that it doesn't overuse our most precious resource. A full-blown, top-of-the-range irrigation system is definitely justified in larger gardens. And due to the advent of new technologies, it makes it easier to install them yourself. For instance, this garden needs 8 stations. That's 8 different areas or zones being watered individually at different times or sequentially, manually or automatically. The Holman BTX8 Smart Irrigation Controller really is this next generation in watering technology that you can do from your smartphone. The solenoid cables which run to a solenoid valve allows for different zone water control, and they're connected to the controller. This is a simple attachment screw-in process. The controller itself requires a power source to plug into. This is a good option when converting an older system. There are 8 stations available from this controller, so it's quite capable of looking after a large garden if required. The BTX8 controller is then connected simply via Bluetooth to your smartphone. This allows you to program the number of minutes you want each station to run. It's important from a water-saving point of view. Your garden lawn will need more water than, say, a native garden bed. Your veggies more than your rose garden. And with this system, you can program each runtime and the system will run at the nominated start time. Or if things are looking a bit dry after a stinker of a day, you can easily manually set the controller to run in a one-off cycle. It's as simple as pulling your phone out and setting an individual station to run, or letting the whole station run a full cycle. One safeguard that you can add that will help save water, particularly if you've gone away and it rains, is a rain sensor. So maybe it's time you upgrade your old controller to one of these Holman Smart Bluetooth enabled like the BTX8. They are absolutely fabulous ways to have a great looking garden without wasting water.